How much time is required to build a bridge? Maybe the United States will spend more than a year. It's a reality that the construction efficiency in Germany is high, so they may make it in 6 or 7 months. But how can one make it in 43 hours? You people will think it's impractical, but it's a reality. So in this video, we will tell you how China built a mega bridge in 43 hours with 8,000 workers. This construction speed is set by China. Is the bridge strong and safe? Danlowe Dam in Sudan was built by China in only 5.5 years. The world's longest tunnel, with a length of 123 kilometers, can be made in 10 years. The world's longest bridge, bedpan Jiang Bei Bridge, only takes 3 years in China. So how it's possible to make a bridge in just 43 hours? From these examples, we can see the advancement of China in infrastructure contraction speed has advanced than that of Germany, Japan, and other countries. When you're building a bridge, it's not just about the materials or the design. You have to think about everything at once. How to get the materials there, what the bridge will look like when you're done, when you can expect it to be done, how much time it'll take, and what kind of resources you'll need, like human and otherwise. China has been building bridges for centuries, but it's only recently become one of the world's most prolific builders. If you're planning to visit Beijing, you can check out their unique bridges at the Olympic Park. But this isn't just about Beijing. China is also known for its substantial infrastructure projects. They're known for being able to build things quickly and efficiently, and they're working on improving their record even further. One example of this would be the new bridge they just built in China. The Taihangshan Bridge is a 6 km long bridge that took only 43 hours to complete. This is amazing in itself, but it also shows how far China has come regarding building infrastructure. We were so impressed by China's recent construction feat. They built a new bridge in 43 hours with 8,000 workers. And they did it on land that wasn't even ready yet. The workers used 8,000 of their own hands to complete the project in under 2 months. And they were all volunteers who were promised free housing in the area for life. The bridge is over 200 meters long, spanning 170 meters, and it's the largest cable-stayed bridge in the world. This has to be the most impressive bridge ever built. China's new bridge in Shanghai is over 200 meters long, spanning 170 meters, and it's the largest cable-stayed bridge in the world. China started construction on the bridge in July 2017, but only finished it in 43 hours. Workers were working around the clock to complete this incredible feat of engineering. The bridge is also a part of a larger project called the Belt and Road Initiative, which refers to China's plan to build infrastructure across Africa, Asia, and Europe. The bridge is over 200 meters long, spanning 170 meters, and it's the largest cable-stayed bridge in the world. Construction workers completed on time and within budget, maintaining a record pace. The effort involved more than 8,000 workers completing the project in 3 days. China Road and Bridge Corporation designed and constructed the bridge, which has been working on mega projects for almost 30 years. The total cost of the project is reported to be about $2 billion. This will make it possible for CRBC to begin construction on several other projects around Shanghai that are expected to take 4 years or more to complete. The bridge will be used for the transport of cargo and people. The construction of this mega bridge, located in Hangzhou City, cost roughly $1.3 billion and took nearly half a year to build. It was completed in just 43 hours using 2,000 workers and 1,000 robots. The bridge has an overall length of 2,350 meters and a width of 45 meters with a height of 32 meters above water level. The main reason for building such a massive bridge was to provide an alternative route for cargo transportation between China and Hong Kong. The first part of the project was completed on the 6th of August this year, while the second part will be completed in September 2020. The construction of this mega bridge was not without controversy, as some people criticized it, saying that it would create traffic problems and affect the environment negatively. Still, others supported its construction, saying it would help improve transportation between China, Hong Kong, and other parts of Asia. The bridge is the longest cable-stayed bridge in the world. The bridge is the longest cable-stayed bridge in the world, and it connects 2 counties in eastern China. It's also one of the most impressive feats of engineering ever undertaken by humanity. The construction process took place over 4 months, but it all came down to just 43 hours for this incredible achievement. The workers worked in shifts and were joined by 3,000 tourists, who were able to advise how best to work together as a team and how not to get caught up in petty arguments when trying to create something new and unique. The bridge is currently being used by locals and tourists alike as an incredible tourist attraction, and it's even visible from space. This project was funded by the Chinese government and completed at $1 billion USD. The China-Macau Bridge, completed recently, is a 1.09-kilometer cable-stayed bridge connecting the cities of Macau in the People's Republic of China and Taipa in the Special Administrative Region of Macau. The bridge is part of a larger road project that includes the Eastern Tunnel, connecting the cities of Zhuhai and Guangzhou. The bridge was built in only 43 hours by over 8,000 workers, who were paid 200 yuan per day. The cost of construction was $1 billion USD. The bridge has two main towers, each with a height of 55 meters. Each building weighs 3 million kg and is connected by a 500 meters span on each side. This is the world record and the most expensive bridge ever built in China. It's also the longest cable-stayed bridge in the world, with a length of 25 kilometers and a main span of 561 meters. The bridge was built on a site near Wuhan in Hubei province. China built a mega bridge in 43 hours with 8,000 workers. It was a big deal, and it got a lot of press. China is a growing superpower, and they've been making strides in its infrastructure and military capabilities. In the past few years, they've been working on building lots of different things: railroads, highways, bridges, tunnels. You name it. This project was exciting because they were able to do it by utilizing many different methods. They used cranes on one side and bulldozers on the other side. They also used conveyor belts for transporting materials across each side of the structure. And finally, they utilized some robotic system that moved material around using magnetism, all while still being able to keep up with demand. This technology could change how we do things as humans, especially when it comes to construction jobs. The best part about this is that these robots don't require electricity. Instead, they use magnets that human workers power. This means less pollution from fossil fuels, less waste on our planet's resources, and more time spent doing what we love, building things. Final thoughts. The bridge was built to help relieve Beijing traffic congestion and was the Chinese government's largest construction project ever completed. The mega bridge was 2,073 meters long and had 7 lanes of traffic. It featured 2 suspension bridges and 2 cable-stayed bridges that could withstand the weight of over 1 million tons of steel, concrete, and other materials. The bridge was built on land that had been previously flooded for the construction of a dam. The land was then partly raised using pumps until it reached the desired level for building the bridge. China's construction workers are incredible. They can work long hours in extreme heat and cold without complaints. They know how to listen to their supervisors and learn from them, and they're willing to put in the hard work required to make a project succeed. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's the end for this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.